Side right together, shuffle forward. Left rocking chair. Side left together, shuffle forward. And right rocking chair. And rock, recover, shuffle back. And back rock, shuffle forward. Step right, hold. And pivot half turn, hold. And draw a big heart. And quarter right. Recover, quarter left. From the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And rock, step, shuffle back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, and 3, hold.
It only takes a spark to get a fire going, and soon on those around can warm up in its glowing. That's how it is with God's love. Once you experience it, you spread His love to everyone. You want to pass it on. What a wondrous time is spring, when all the leaves are budding. The birds begin to sing, the flowers start their blooming. That's how it is with God's love. Once you experience it, you want to sing. It's fresh like spring. You want to pass it on. I wish for you, my friend, this happiness that I found. You can depend on me. It matters not where you bow. I shout it from the mountain top. I want the world to know the Lord of love has come to me. I want to pass it on. I shout